Hello, everybody. It's Wednesday, the 10th of June. So let's review today's trade. Now, if you were following the Devil's Candle playbook, the result will be no trade. You can see a trade on my screen, but this will be for more advanced users. I've got ES on my screen as an example. I'm on the 1 minute, but I want to show you the very first thing that would have stopped you from trading today. So apart from the red folder news, what you can see here is this purple box is the pre-market before the market open. Now, if I measure that range, just this range, this is almost 50 points. That is an extreme. So the very first gate in the document says avoid extremes. Of course, there are caveats, and if you are an advanced trader, then you can take in additional variables. So in this particular example, you can see that we have broken above this swing high here, and that happened in pre-market. You can also see that we've retraced back into it. You can also see a fair value gap. Again, additional inputs. All of these are not part of the actual method, model, playbook because they're kind of advanced concepts. You can, of course, also see above us, we have the new day opening gap and we have these equal highs, etc. The SMA is also very bullish. Now, all of these are additional information, and the idea of the Devil's Candle playbook is to streamline the entire process. So what it's doing is removing excessive variables and making sure you can just follow the process step by step. So good job if you did not trade, because step one literally says avoid extremes, which we have, so we would just not trade. For the advanced users who still use the same mechanics, so you're still using the Devil's Candle formula, but you're just ignoring the extremes because it is related to the background, right? So if you take an extreme and you relate it to the background and you conclude that that extreme is relevant, then you take the trade, right? It's the same trade, same candle, same time, everything's the same. However, for 99% of traders using this exact formula, then today you don't trade. Okay, so you simply don't trade. So congrats if you did not trade, and well done if you did trade and you are an advanced user. Now, before I go, just want to say that I have included a link in the description. It takes you to a Whoop page, okay, and a Whoop store or Whoop page, and that link takes you to the PDF. So it's a one-page PDF that takes you through this entire Devil's Candle playbook. So it tells you the rules, tells you the checks, the checklist, basically everything that I follow in order to take trades like this every day. Now, you may not see trades every day, and of course, there's certain things you need to avoid, but I keep it as simple as possible. The key benefit to this method is it's always related to the same candle, the same time every day. Same candle, same time every day. That means if there's no need to trade, you don't trade. If you see a trade, you take a trade. The risk is standard and your targeting is standard. As you can see, same risk, same standard all the time. So hopefully you've enjoyed the video. I will post a new one tomorrow. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.